empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find some.
Hello and welcome to our humble place where I usually share some of my thoughts and feelings for this week. How was your week, by the way? I hope they're okay or even better. So this week, I thought I'd share with you something about letting go. One of the factors to be happy, they say, is to learn when to let go. And I have tested this a couple of times in my life. There are some aspects or decisions in our life that sometimes, even if we insist as much, it just didn't fit or feel right. It's like something that is being forced and eventually will turn out bad. Say, for example, you want something so bad, but it's not reasonable and acceptable enough to have it. When I was a little younger, for sure, I'll cry myself to sleep when this happens. But as we gain more experience and knowledge through the years, we learn that some things are destined to be let go. Not only material things, but also in other aspects of life, especially if it's something that you know will never be changed, no matter what. When you let go, you're giving yourself a chance to breathe and eventually accept whatever it is. You are teaching yourself to become tough, especially when life calls for it. You are helping yourself to become wise enough to get through something. Learning to let go doesn't mean you're defeated. You just know how to choose your battles, where to exert more effort and energy, and when to stop and take a step back. It's not a cowardice act. It's actually a very courageous step towards peace and happiness. The more you learn how to let go of things that you cannot change, the more it will be easier to accept things as they are. I hope that I was able to share some thoughts with you this week, and I hope that you like them. Thank you very much for being here. Let me know your thoughts as well regarding this topic. Share them in the comments or chat me over on Instagram. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you again very soon.